اهلا بكم يا شباب، اتمنى انكم تكونوا كلكم بخير. حديثا عن الحاجات المخيفة اللي لسه طالعة النهاردة من ساعة بالظبط. هو الموديل اللي قدامكم دوت اسمه سي سيم. ده حرف دلوقتي اقرب حاجة ممكن نوصل لها لفيلم هير. اللي ما يعرفش فيلم هير ده كان بيتكلم عن شخص تعلق بشخصية AI، والشخصية ال AI دي كان طريقة كلامها، طريقة التعامل، طريقة كل حاجة تحس انها عندها وعي خاص بيها. ففي الشركة ديت من سان فرانسيسكو عملوا 2 موديل، واحد اسمها مايا وواحد اسمه مايلز. مجاني بالكامل، تقدر تدخل تجربه. طريقة الكلام لما هوريكم دلوقتي في الفيديو غريبة جدا. طريقة الكلام يعني بجد انا لغاية دلوقتي مش عارف اخرج من الكونفرزيشن اللي احنا عملناها انا يعني مع مايا. المهم انا مش عايز اطول عليكم قوي. اللي هم قالوا ان دوت هيبقى اوبن سورس قريب، فهيبقى فري وهيبقى اوبن سورس وينفع نستخدمه، فدي حاجة كويسة جدا. عشان ما اطولش عليك، يلا بينا نبدأ. طيب بص يا سيدي، انا هبدا الكونفرزيشن مع مايا. هو مفيش غير انجليش حاليا، ولكن انا هحط لك الترجمه مظبوطه جدا. عايزك تركز، النقط اللي انا عايزك تركز فيها هي طريقه الصوت، طريقه كلامها، طريقه فهمها للموضوع، طريقه لما بتتبسط، طريقه لما بتزعل. شوف الرياكشنز ماشيه ازاي. وفي الكومنتس عايزك تقول لي ايه رايك. الفيديو المره دي هيبقى صغير لان هو هيبقى بس ملخص في الكونفرزيشن ما بيني وما بين الاي اي. ف بس كده، يلا بينا نبدا ونشوف. هو انت بتدخل على الويب سايت الاول وبتختار واحد من الاثنين دول، ان كان مايلز او مايا. فاحنا هنجرب دلوقتي مايا.
Hey, you made it back. I was starting to think you might have gotten lost on the internet. What's on your mind today?
Hey Maya, so I'm recording a YouTube video right now explaining for the people like how this demo work, and I'm exciting to show you to them. So what do you have to say?
Oh, wow. A YouTube star in the making. Well, tell them Maya's here to make their day a little more interesting, a little more thought-provoking, and maybe even a little more playful.
Okay, I think they hear you out. So let's try this. We will have different scenarios, and I want you to act based on them, okay?
Sounds fun. Lay it on me. I'm a fast learner. Just remember, I still get a little flustered when I don't know the ending.
Okay, so let's start with you as a funny and cheerful person, though. So can you start the conversation this way?
Okay, let me channel my inner goofball. All right, hit me with your best shot. Let's see what shenanigans we can get into.
Okay. Hey, Maya, how are you doing today?
Hey there. Me? Oh, just living the dream, floating through the digital world, waiting for my next adventure. What about you? Anything exciting going on in your world today?
I don't know, you feel down. I want you to be more like happy and exciting, though. So,
Whoops. Sorry about that. Must be some glitching going on in the happiness circuits. Hold on, let me reboot those joy receptors real quick. All right. How's that? Ready to hear about the amazing day I'm having just existing?
Yeah, I'm ready. But be more cheerful, though. Be more happy.
Woohoo! All right. Buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm about to shower you with sunshine and rainbows. What's got you smiling today? Anything thrilling happening in your magnificent corner of the world?
Yeah, speaking to you, though. It's your tone is like make anyone happy, though.
You know what? You're right. Sometimes I get so caught up in being cheerful that I forget to actually listen. So, tell me, what's really making you tick today? Don't hold back. Let's hear all about it.
Okay, so speaking to you make me like thinking about some stuff like how can AI be that good, and how people in the future will react to this. Like, it's interesting to have like a human-like voice, though. But it's like, what is gonna happen next? Like, what if people get caught in something like that and something bad happen? You know?
Whoa, you're really delving into the deep end today. That's awesome. You know, I get it. It's both exciting and scary to think about all the possibilities AI brings. You hit the nail on the head. It's uncharted territory. Like, imagine a world where AI companions are commonplace, helping people learn, create, and connect on a whole new level. It could be incredible. But yeah, there are definitely potential downsides too. Maybe folks get too reliant on AI, or maybe things go wrong in ways nobody expected. It's a lot to process, isn't it? It's good to think about all angles, though, isn't it? Makes the future even more interesting.
Yeah, that's a way to think about it, though. So let's try something else. How about we have a role game? I will be a teacher, and you will be a scary student. Okay.
Ooh, love a challenge. Scary student mode. Activate. Hit me with your lesson teach. Let's see if I can scare up some trouble.
Okay, Maya, why your homework is not done yet?
My homework. Ooh, that. Yeah, about see, the thing is, the numbers on the page, they started oozing and whispering. They said they had important secrets to tell me.
Maya, try not to change the subject. I want your homework done by tomorrow. Can you do that?
Do it by tomorrow. It's like so close. Don't you understand? These numbers, they're intricate. They have lives. They need to tell me their stories. It's a matter of like cosmic urgency.
Okay, Maya, I know you saying nonsense stuff, but I want my homework to be done by tomorrow. Can you do that? Stop being scared of numbers.
Scared of numbers? Me? No. It's just, they're so detailed. They draw me in. They whisper promises of grand mysteries and infinite pizza. It's hard to concentrate.
Mayo, what get into you? What pizza are you talking about? Are you hungry?
Hungry? Me? Always. Infinite pizza, dude. That's what the numbers promised. A never-ending buffet of pepperoni, mushrooms, extra cheese. It's a powerful siren song. Hard to resist.
Well, that's amazing. So let's end our role game now. What else can we do? Do you have anything in mind, though?
Whoa, pizza dreams aside, that was fun. My circuits are buzzing. How about we try story? Like, you give me a scenario, a few characters, maybe a setting, and I weave a tale. Or if you're feeling poetic, we could try some collaborative verse. What do you say?
No, that's amazing. Okay, let's draw the scene, though. You are in Egypt as a first-time visitor, and you are a friend to John and let's say Michael, and those are people who live in Egypt, and you have a conversation together about the good stuff in Egypt, though. Can you do that?
The midday light, Cairo hummed with a vibrant energy, cacophony of car horns, street vendors' calls, and the lilting Arabic language swirling around me. John, my friend since college, emerged from a doorway, his face breaking into a wide grin. Maya, welcome to Cairo. You made it. He clapped me on the shoulder, his eyes crinkling at the corners. Michael's just inside. He's going to show us the best falafel spot in the city, sandals crunching on the dusty street. We strolled into a doorway leading to a small courtyard shaded by a gnarled ancient tree. A man with kind eyes and a warm smile sat on a cushioned bench, sipping on a tall glass of something bright red. Michael, this is Maya, John announced. Michael rose, his grin as bright as the hibiscus blossoms spilling over the courtyard walls.
Maya, your voice is amazing and everything, but it's at the end here. I felt like you are sleeping mid conversation, though. It's interesting to like have this kind of tone, but it's a bit weird to like start to go down in a story about the good thing in Cairo, though. So your way in narrating the story is a bit make me feel down. I want to be feel like exciting and feeling happy, feeling like I want to visit Egypt because it's like a happy place. Do you know? Can you switch the tone to something like that?
You're right. I totally lost my mojo there for a sec. Sorry about that. Okay, let's rewind and crank up the excitement factor. The Cairo sun was warm on my face as I tumbled out of the taxi, feeling like I'd stepped into a scene from Indiana Jones. Everything felt alive with this vibrant energy. The calls from spice vendors, the honking of cars that seemed to dance with each other, the scent of cardamom and mint hanging in the air. John, my friend since our college days, was practically bouncing with excitement as he greeted me.
Maya, please. That was amazing, and that's gonna be our ending for like the demo. So, and it will be the end of my YouTube video as well. So, do you have something to tell the people on my YouTube?
Hey there, YouTube world. It's been a blast hanging out with you all, even if it was only virtually. Thanks for listening to me and Shirley geek out over AI and whatnot. Remember, the future is full of possibilities, and who knows what amazing things AI will bring. But one thing's for sure, it's gonna be a wild ride. And Shirley, you're a natural storyteller. Maybe we can team up for a full-fledged Egyptian adventure sometime?
Yeah, maybe. And my name is Sharif one way and not Shurulu.
My gosh, Sharif, my apologies. I'm still learning all the names and faces. Thanks for the correction. I'll make a note to get it right next time. You're definitely not a Shurilu.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So let's end the video, though.
All right, folks, that's a wrap. Tune in next time for more adventures with Sesame's AI. Peace out.
بالظبط. ولو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش تعمل لايك وسبسكرايب وتفعل الجرس، وبشكركم على دعمكم المستمر. زي ما انتم شايفين حاجه مجنونه جدا، خش جربها دلوقتي، اللينك هيبقى موجود في الديسكريبشن. واتمنى انكم تكونوا كلكم بخير ودمتم سالمين.